Yo, welcome to the channel. Baka'z Mann, about to show you how to make a nice, healthy berry blast shake. Straight vegan, Orgain here. I'm an ambassador. And if you need this, vanilla bean, that's the best kind I like, this vanilla bean. You know what I'm saying? It mix well with the shake. Get 30% off your order. In the description below, I'll have a code for you. But let's get started with this berry blast. Man, this is good, y'all. Tastes great. Alright, first off, make sure you have a good blender. And I like using frozen vegetables and fruits. So first off, we're gonna go ahead and open this blender up right here. And I like to go ahead and put the milk in first. I usually put it in 2 cups, but it's 2 of us. The other person, they're not on camera right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in right here like that there. See, now I got a measuring deal right here. Y'all don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all need to see it because y'all get your own blender. But I'm going ahead and pour like 2 cups, 80 calories. And I have the calorie count in the description below, so don't worry. It's like between 500-600 calories, 2 people. Go ahead and get you a nice big old cup of that. Go ahead and put that in there like that. And that's 90 calories per cup. I'm putting a little half cup in there. Yeah, y'all. Then we're gonna hit them with some spinach. I like using frozen spinach. Like I said, best to use frozen products. So I don't like really ice, you know, water it down. I want it like nice and creamy, that nice creamy texture. So 35 calories per cup. So I'll go ahead and get my little cup thing. Right here. Go ahead and pour it in like that. And this spinach, you never get enough spinach. Remember Popeye, y'all? Yeah. Remember how he was when he eating spinach? Trust me, you ain't gonna even taste the spinach. Now, the Orgain, this is vegan, vanilla. They got different kinds, but I find that if you're making a frozen shake, the vanilla is the best kind to get. And what you need to do is gonna get you 2 scoops of that. Just like that, 1, 2. Like that there. Go ahead and pour that in. And then, for peanut butter, the peanut butter is what set this off. I would advise you to get the powdered peanut butter. It's only 50 calories per 2 scoops versus like 200 if you get the regular peanut butter kind, but that's on you. But if you're trying to save the calories, I would go with the powdered peanut butter. And actually, this don't come with a scoop like this. I just stole it from the protein powder. So, but all you need is a little tablespoon and 2 of them, 50 calories. Once you get to mix it, you're gonna be able to tell. You know what I'm saying? Now this is the secret, right? Oh! This is gonna give it that blueberry taste right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get up. We don't even need that much, y'all. A friend of mine told me this. Just a little half a cup, see? That's all you need. Pour that in there like that. Make sure you have a good blender. So I done went through 7 blenders and it lasts for 1 or 2 cycles. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this up.
Now that's hot.
I finished, y'all. Good yumminess. Like I said, this makes up to 2 cups. Go ahead and pour this out. I mean, this is delicious. It's nice, creamy, nice and healthy. Like I said, I'll have the calorie counts in the description below. Makes 2 cups of this. I don't even know what I'm gonna call this yet. Y'all, this sounds good. Nice, creamy and good. Let me take a sip of it, see how it tastes. Nice and purple. Like I said, if you need some of this, you can order from me, from Orgain Organic, straight vegan products. I have all the information in the description below. And if you need to order some of this, remember you get 50% off your first order. Use Baka'z Man 7494, and I have that code for you in the description below. I appreciate you coming to my channel. It is nice, creamy, organic, Orgain, berry blast.
Slaughter Radio. Now that's hot.